everyone, welcome back to Global Creative Design. In today's tutorial, we will explore the Direct Selection tool in Adobe Illustrator. This tool is essential for making precise adjustments to individual points and paths, giving you complete control over your designs. So let's start. The Direct Selection tool is located in the toolbar right below the regular selection tool. You can activate it by clicking on the icon or pressing the shortcut key A. Unlike the selection tool, which selects entire objects, the direct selection tool allows you to select specific anchor points or segments of a path. Let's start with an example. Here on the artboard, I have a rectangle. When I click on the rectangle using the direct selection tool, you will notice small white dots appear at the corner. These are called anchor points. With the direct selection tool, you can click on any one of these anchor points to select and move. For instance, if I click on the top left anchor point and drag it, it can reshape the rectangle into a custom shape. This is great for creating unique designs or adjust existing shapes to fit your needs. You can also use the direct selection tool to select and manipulate path segments. Click on the line between two anchor points and you will see that segment becomes active. Now you can move or reshape the segment independently without affecting the rest of the object. The direct selection tool also works with curves. If you select a curved path, you will see the handles appear at the anchor points. These handles control the direct and curvature of the path. You can click and drag the handles to adjust the curve shape. Don't worry if this seems tricky at first. Working with curves takes practice, but it's a powerful skill to master. To deselect everything, simply click anywhere on the blank space of the artboard. If you ever need to quickly switch back to the regular selection tool, you can press V on your keyboard. That's it for direct selection tool. This tool is perfect for refining shapes, editing curves, and customizing your designs. Take some time to practice selecting and modifying anchor points and paths to get comfortable with it. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to Global Creative Design for more Illustrator tips and tricks. In next video, we will explore the pen tool and learn how to create custom shapes from scratch. Thanks for watching and see you in the next tutorial.